Welcome back. We're now going to test our website by uploading documents to the directory that we just created. So we're going to find an index file of a static HTML website, and we're going to drag and drop that file into our directory. And we're going to use Cloudberry Server in order to do it. And so all we'll need to do from our desktop is to drag the file into Cloudberry Server where our directory is, and we're going to upload the index file. Cloudberry Server is going to ask us if we really want to copy the file, and we are going to say yes. What we're now going to do is test our configuration, and we're going to take the entire string of text that we saved earlier from our process of saving the bucket, and we're going to put this address into our browser. And when we do that, we see that our HTML file is successfully uploading to Amazon S3. So we're now going to upload the rest of our files, and we're just going to drag and drop those files into our area. Amazon S3 is going to ask us if we really want to copy those files. We're going to say yes. And our files are now copying into our directory. So what we're now going to do is we're going to refresh the page, and we see now that our site is rendering properly. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.